Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday, the sun is shining, it's a bank holiday weekend. Life's good. I have been a very busy boy this week, and the Interceptor 650 is looking incredible. Done so much to it. I'll take you through everything that I've done. Bridgestone Batlax AX41 Trip Machine touring seat, black leather, smells amazing, smells like a new pair of Red Wing boots. That's gonna look sick. Diamond stitched leather tank pads, got them in black to go with the black tank that I'm painting outside. They're gonna look really cool. Brake light from Motone, sold out motorcycles, towel tidy that we're going to fit today. Big parcel from Hitchcocks. There's some handlebars in here, tracker handlebars. There is a DNA air filter and a DNA air filter plate and mudguard risers, just so I can fit the adventure tyres.
Both rear pico.
Andy's on his way around, so help me fit. my new tyres. Morning guys, Saturday morning, sun is shining, trying to bake my tank and side panels in the sunshine. Yeah, I just gave them a lacquer. This is round 3 of painting. I did it the first time and I wasn't too pleased with the outcome, so it's looking good this time. I haven't rushed it, so we'll get tank and panels on and then take her for a spin, but she's looking really, really good. The new tyres look sick. DNA air filter on now. Yeah, we're pretty much nearly there. We just got to sort exhaust and potentially suspension at the back, some shocks, but other than that, we're there. Let's go check out the bike. Well, what do you think? She's not quite finished. I'm in talks with Sold Out Motorcycles to get a short shot exhaust system. That should be here next week. But after that, I think we'll be about there. How good does she look? Let me talk you through everything I've done. So, front to back, we've got adventure tyres, knobbly tyres. These are Bridgestone A something or other. Bridgestone AX41s, front and back. They transformed the bike just on their own. I've raised the mudguard just to accommodate the knobbly tyres. I've raised the mudguard with these mudguard raisers from Hitchcocks just to accommodate the knobbly tyres. Taken off the reflectors from the side of the forks because they didn't go very well, so taking them off. Pico Motone indicators, and then the Motone indicator fork clamp holders to hold them on. TEC headlight holder. Kept the stock headlight because the chrome and the black just matched the bike perfectly, so just kept that. Up top we got some Hitchcocks tracker handlebars. They came pre-drilled specifically for the Interceptor 650. They look absolutely awesome and they're probably the comfiest handlebars I've ever used. Blacked out adjustable levers, just some Amazon grips, but diamond stitched to go with the diamond stitched tank pads. Satin black tank that I sprayed. Not the best paint job, but looks really, really cool. Enfield accessories, tank pads, leather, diamond stitched, very, very cool. Trip machine touring seat, leather, smells like a beautiful pair of boots. Beautiful quality, comfy as hell, looks awesome. Satin black side panels, just painted them to match the tank. Back here I've got the Sold Out Motorcycles plate holder, tail tidy, with the Motone brake light, Eldorado brake light, and then just the Pico indicators on the back. Still waiting for my black metal number plate as well. Right now I've just got the big old legal number plate. So there she is. What do you think? Let me take you round her. Hey guys, here in some countryside in Hertfordshire, Austin with Scrambler, testing out the Interceptor 650 Scrambler style. Yeah, we've been having some fun, having a little shakedown session. I have a little issue with mine. We're hoping it's the relay of some sort, a fuel pump relay. Every time I click into first, seems to cut out, but I think it's a common issue. Austin said he had it on his Interceptor as well when he had one. So other than that, all going good. Very, very happy, having a good time. We only come out for a quick blast, but we found some little gravelly lanes and we're having fun. How are we doing, Austin? Feeling good? Sweet. Alright, we're going to head back home now because we're scared my bike might not start again. So head back homeward bound and yeah, go from there. Peace. Oh. My battery light's on.
Really?
Yeah. It's gone off now, but...
Exactly what happened to mine.
Okay. I'll just order it. Oh, it's gone off now.
Well, it's going to wear it out to keep starting back up again, but... Don't try not to ever turn it off.
Yeah. Ready?
That's fun, isn't it?
That was sick, wasn't it?
That was fun.
I filmed it for you. Going through.
I'm going to flip my camera around because that'll be good for a reel. Yeah, since I've had it in second, it hasn't cut out.